Welcome to Science at Home. So we're starting with our I can statements. Okay, so first of all, we are starting a new unit, and I've already marked up my journal to say so. So Earth's systems, new unit. I can watch, well, there's your verb. I can watch 2 videos and read 1 Newsella article to better understand Earth's systems. I want to get a different color marker to underline that, because that's the main thing that you're going to learn about and hopefully understand. It's not an action word, but it's kind of like having new vocabulary. So I can watch 2 videos and read 1 Newsella article to better understand Earth's systems. I can name 2 features of each Earth system, and I can describe how the systems interact. Actually, that's more a vocab word too, interact. Okay, so what's going to be different today is I'm not telling you the information. You're going to research it. You're going to research it by watching videos and a Newsella article. And this is the minimum that you should do. I give you more videos and more than 1 Newsella article. If you need to watch more videos, if you need to read more articles, then that's what you do in order to answer the questions of naming the features. There are 4 Earth systems, and you're going to name 2 features of each one, and you could describe how they interact. So you're going to describe how the biosphere and the geosphere interact. You're going to describe how the atmosphere and hydrosphere interact. And then I challenge you to tell me how the geosphere interacts with the atmosphere and hydrosphere. Okay? Sounds like a lot. You know, it is. And that's why I'm giving you 2 days to get it done. Not just the day, which is Monday when it's assigned, but you also have science again Wednesday. So Monday and Wednesday, this is what your lesson is, okay? So it's covering 2. So I wanted to remind you guys, don't just click on the assignment. Watch what happens. Okay, I'm going to click on the assignment, and it says right here, as a minimum, you should watch the 2 Crash Course for Kids videos and read the Newsella article. But they're not here, are they? No, they're not, because this is an assignment. This is where you show me how much you have learned. But you need to go back and find the information to go learn. Okay, so the proper way to get into a classroom, I'm going to go back to the classes again. Proper way is do not click on the assignment. Click on your teacher's name. Okay, click on your teacher's name. And you're going to see is I've shared with you a summary for the week. So right here I'm saying we have science twice this week, Monday and Wednesday. We're beginning a new unit. So look for that unit vocabulary. I'm going to share a Quizlet with you, plus several other resources. And they're all going to be found as material, new material. But I'm not reading this yet. Done reading it. Monday, May 18th, through videos, BrainPop, and Newsella, you will develop a basic understanding of Earth's 4 spheres. So yeah, there's the trick here. I'm not telling you. I'm giving you the resources. I want you guys to come back and tell me what you've learned from those resources. Okay? The lesson that I'm sharing with you on Monday will carry over into Wednesday, and work will not be due until Thursday. So don't expect a new lesson posted on Wednesday. This is it. This is the lesson for both class periods. Okay? So again, Wednesday, May 20th, it's just a continuation from this lesson. Nothing new will be posted. So I'm going to, if you go up here, So we looked at the assignment, but that doesn't help you. You have to do the learning first. So click on the new material. Okay, and you're going to see that there's a lot of information here. Okay, there's a lot of information. But even here, I say, here's a collection of stuff. Okay, what I recommend is watch both Crash Course for Kids. That's this one and this one. You should watch those two. I would also encourage looking at the Quizlet. I'll share that with you in this video. Okay, but definitely those two videos, and then this first Newsela one. It's called An Overview of Earth's 4 Spheres. That's the main topic of the lesson. Okay, so those are your resources, and you can see there's so many more resources there. So you don't have to stop at those 3 that I recommend. These 2 videos plus the Newsela. And we're going to take a look at the Quizlet right now. So when I do Quizlet, you can look at flashcards. And so sometimes you'll hear me say systems, sometimes we'll say spheres. So let's look at what a system is. A group of related parts that work together. Okay, so we're going to look at 4 different systems. We're going to look at 4 different systems. The first one is the atmosphere. And in Quizlet, I give you the answers. But I'm actually going to move through this relatively quickly because I want you to do the learning, not me showing you. So atmosphere, biosphere, and they'll all end up with the word sphere, even though we're calling them systems. It's because of the shape that they take. Earth is a sphere, so it's all around Earth. Geosphere. And lastly, the hydrosphere. So again, you'll find those definitions in Quizlet, but I'm going to now take you out of that. Okay. When you submit your work, you have 2 options. You may either keep track of it in a notebook, just like this. We got geosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. So similar to what you see right here of a graphic organizer in Google Doc. I would like you to name 2 features of the geosphere here, 2 features of the biosphere, 2 features of the hydrosphere, 2 features of the atmosphere. So what you see of that like peachish color, that's where you're going to name 2 features. And just like that, I say name. We're not looking for sentences, bullet points. Okay. Now in these areas that I marked blue, you can find that information by watching the Crash Course for Kids videos. Okay, describe a way, 1 way, 2 ways, whatever you feel like doing, that the geosphere and biosphere interact. Okay, so you'll type that in here. So one video talks about the geosphere and biosphere, another video talks about atmosphere and hydrosphere. But now I have this one. This was a challenge. I'm challenging you now. Can you think of a way that the geosphere interacts with the atmosphere? Or the geosphere interacts with the hydrosphere? And I want you to write it in that one. Okay, so I shared this template with you as a Google Doc of a graphic organizer. So you have 2 ways to choose from how you want to submit this information, either using the Google Doc or share your notebook in Flipgrid. Either way works fine, but you don't have to do both. And again, you have 2 class periods in order to get it done. You have science on Monday and again on Wednesday for you to be getting this lesson done. So it might seem like a lot, but again, it's over 2 class periods. So you pace yourself, you figure it out.